Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to transfer CapCut projects from mobile to PC. So if you also want to transfer CapCut project from mobile to PC, this video is just for you. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open CapCut application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here CapCut application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the edit interface. You'll be able to see all of your projects over here. Also, you'll be able to find several options like auto cut, photo editor, product photos, AI poster, etc. over here. You can also create a new project from here. So transferring the CapCut project from mobile to PC is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is tap on the Me icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here, I'm logged into my account. If you're not logged into your account, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. You can either log into TikTok, you can also sign in with Google, email or Facebook. Simply tap on the option of your choice and log into your account. After that, you'll be logged into your account. Now what you have to do is tap on the edit icon that you can see at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find all the projects over here. Simply locate the project that you want to transfer. Right next to it, you'll be able to find three dots. All you have to do is tap on it. Now at bottom, you'll be able to find several options like upload to space, share project, rename, duplicate and delete. Simply tap on the first option, that is upload to space. After that, tap on the space that you want to upload to. After that, wait for a while and that particular video will be uploaded to your space. If you want to view that video, simply tap on the option space that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be able to see the videos over here. Now what you have to do is open the CapCut on PC. After that, log into the same account. After that, find the option for your space and over there you'll be able to find the video. That's how you'll be able to transfer the CapCut project from mobile to PC. So that is how you transfer CapCut project from mobile to PC. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.